Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a small Super Tarts haul. I did say that this channel was mostly going to be warm reviews, and I am sticking with that, although I do find I need to kind of replenish my Super Tarts. And being that I've always been kind of a big Super Tarts fan, and I haven't ordered since Wax Wednesday, I think was the last time I ordered. So yeah, I wanted to also say I hope everyone is staying safe and washing your hands and all that good stuff. I just hope everyone's families are okay and that, you know, everyone is just doing well. I appreciate seeing your guys' comments down in the comment section down below. I recognize a lot of you, so thank you for that, for sticking around and all that jazz. So let's go ahead and jump into this video. I do have a sample, but I'm trying to remember what the scent notes are. So the first one I have is Thanos, and this is Midnight Lavender and Whipped Cream. I have not had this scent ever, I don't think. I believe when I smelled it, I immediately thought of Twilight from Lush. If you like that kind of lavender, I think you would like this one. This whole order, I actually cannot wait. I was like, you know what? I want to warm all these like right now. This is like a Twilight lavender to me. I wonder if Midnight Lavender is Twilight, because, you know, if you think about it, midnight, Twilight, you know. Okay, the next one I have is Tina, and I don't think I've ever tried this one. I was looking for kind of some of her different scents. Grapefruit, Earthy Moss, Vanilla Musk, and Golden Amber. This one smells like a very girly, fresh kind of scent. I can smell the grapefruit in there. I know some people are kind of hit or miss with grapefruit. They either like it or they don't. But it's not a strong, it's not a strong dominant grapefruit. It's just in there. I'm trying to see if I can smell. I feel like this is one of those that's going to have to be warmed, because I feel like the scent notes are really complex there, and it's going to turn into something completely different. Curiosity often leads to trouble. This is Lemon Eclair, Sweet Amber, and White Nectarine. And if you look at the labels, I was noticing the other day, I was kind of cleaning my wax room out, and I was putting these clams away, my new ones, and I was starting to see the theme that she was going for with some of these pictures. So Lemon Eclair, Sweet Amber, and White Nectarine. I kind of like where she's going with that. It's cute. So I recently warmed a nectarine scent from another vendor, and I love White Nectarine. I think it smells so good. That's mostly what my nose picks up, I think, because that's what my nose is most familiar with. But if I remember correctly, when I warmed this last time, I remember it smelling a little bit more than just White Nectarine. So Luna I haven't had in a while either. You can see I've been into lavenders. This is Herbal Lavender, Lemon Custard, and Vanilla Bean. If I remember, this was the Twilight dupe. I thought this was Twilight. I swear that was what the old scent description was. It's going to take me a while to get used to the new scent descriptions. This one, yeah, you can definitely smell that lemon. I think it was lemon curd before. Now it's lemon custard. I guess that's what lemon curd is. I don't know. You definitely smell that lemon custard. Lemon curd for me is very strong, and it seems to be dominating in here. Although I feel like the vanilla bean is kind of mellowing it out a little bit. Okay, Lizzie I've had before. This is Peach, Magnolia, Pear, Jasmine, White Amber, and Grapefruit. Oh, this one is so pretty. Like, this is like, so I used to, from Scentsy, like I would go to Scentsy for like my girly, like bedroom type scents. And this kind of reminds me of like a girly bedroom type scent. I'm not really picking up anything in particular in here. It's like when you buy a Scentsy bar and they have all these scent notes, and like none of them seem to correlate with the scent. Same here. It just smells pretty and it smells girly. This is a new one for me. I don't really know when she released this one. This is Sugar Sugar This is pink sugar, marshmallow fluff, and pineapple. I've really been into pineapple lately, especially mixed with other things. I don't know, and here's a perfect example again of my nose changing. I really like this one. This one it's a sweet pineapple because of the pink sugar and marshmallow. And that's mostly what I'm picking up out here. I think I can smell the pink sugar, but it's mostly like, if you like pink sugar or pineapple, I think you would really like this one either way. This one's another really pretty one. Good for summer. The next one I have is Harkness, and I have had this one before. This one is so interesting. It's lemon curd, black pepper, and marshmallow fluff. Now, it sounds weird. It sounds like a really odd scent. But it's like if you're an anti-lemon person, this is like the perfect scent for you, because the lemon in here it's softened by the marshmallow fluff, but then that black pepper kind of comes in and changes that lemon a little bit. I just remember when I warmed this, I just remember thinking how creamy it smelled. Yeah, definitely need to get this one on the warmer because it's been a while, but Harkness, I remember I really liked. I didn't expect to like it that much. The next one I have is Genosha. This is pineapple, creamsicle, and rock candy. Sorry, I'm still in my jammies. I've got it's kind of cold in here. So this is pineapple, creamsicle, and rock candy. Again, I have not had Genosha in such a long time, so I decided to grab it. Yeah, and this is just her signature like pineapple scent. It's a sweet, you can smell the creamsicle in there. Like I said, I've really been into pineapple, but I don't have a lot of pineapple, so I don't feel like I'm gonna overdo it, hopefully, so. The next one, I've never had this one before, Effie. This is ginger ale, grape soda, and spun sugar. I've also been, weirdly enough, I've been into grape scents. Like, oh, look at the label on that too. Did she change that? Or not change it, but I feel like she made a new label for like candy scents, or I don't know. I haven't seen that label yet. This one to me, so if you like ginger ale, I think even if you don't like grape, like I'm not the hugest grape fan, but I wanted to retry it again because sometimes with brandy scents, if I try something and I don't like it and then I try it again, like maybe a year later, I do end up liking it, and vice versa. Like there are scents that I love that I'm like, just like my nose can't handle anymore. This one is pretty strong on the ginger ale, but that grape is definitely going to come out. Yeah. So spun sugar is, I couldn't figure out what spun sugar was. I was sitting here and I'm like, spun sugar, and then I realized it was cotton candy. And then my sample is One Tree Hill. I believe this is, just going off memory, I think it's fresh mint and maybe like rain. I don't know, is that right? Anyways, I remember I didn't like this one on cold, but warmed up, I loved it. Yeah, to me on cold, it smells really strange, but warmed up, I was like, yes. Which is such a nice scent. It was pretty. I don't love rain scents anymore, which I used to love rain as a scent in general. And now I kind of like reverted. Like my nose is constantly changing. I don't know. Which is kind of a good thing. Like it kind of opens up your mind to new scents and categories and whatnot. You know, I was kind of into bakery, and then I kind of like didn't like bakery for a little bit. Now I'm back on bakery. Some bakeries, I have to, you know, watch that. But anyways, so I hope you guys are having a good week. If you want to tell me in the comments down below what you've been doing this week. I have just been keeping up like with routines, and I also have been working in my wax closet to try to clean it out. I've been throwing wax away. I've been just wax that I know I'm never going to warm and I don't want to sell because I think it just looks like crap. So I've been doing that, and then I've been kind of looking at different things. Like my nose can't do clean cotton scents anymore, so I've kind of been putting together like a clean cotton D-stash, and I seem to have a lot from Rose Girls. It's like that clean cotton-ish scent. So I don't know if I'm just going to keep it and try to see if I can use it later or do a de-stash. And then also I have some VCS that I'm like, you know what, you probably should just de-stash this because I don't think I'm going to warm it. So I'm kind of been doing that. It's really good to go in and just like touch your wax and like move it around or whatever. That way you can see what you have. And then also I realize, holy crap, I have too much, that kind of thing. So yeah, that's what I've been working on this week. And just, you know, hanging with the husband and trying to stay motivated, really. So yeah, anyways, but I mean, other than that, I mean, we're all doing great. So all right, that is it, you guys. Thank you as always so much for watching. If you have tried a new Super Tart scent that you like, I would love to know, or any vendor scent. I think you guys may have told me some of your favorite scents in the last video. I really enjoyed reading those. So, all right, I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much as always for watching, and I'll check you, probably the next time will be a warm review. So I'll see you then. Okay, bye guys.